Hey, part one. Today we are just reminding ourselves and looking at that ending again of tango and then singing it all through. So, reminder if you missed it last time, remember we're not going to the end of the song because we just don't have enough time. But a great spot to end is the top of page 10 at the end of the line. So, if you're using music at home, make sure you have a marking there so you remember. So, let's go to measure 65. That was the part we learned last time. It has different notes and different rhythms, but the words that we already know. Tango, tango. So listen to that rhythm again. Tango, tango. You try it. Here we go. Tango, tango. Okay, try one more time. One, two, and here you go. Tango, tango. Then we're going to do it again down here. Tango, tango. Your last clap, you're going to interrupt yourself by singing Molly Call Away. So all together, it sounds like this. Tango, tango. Tango, tango. Molly Call Away. And I couldn't clap and scroll, but you're just holding that out, okay? So your second tango, you're interrupting your claps to sing Male. Tango, tango, Male call away. Does that make sense? Can you try it with me? So you do two high tangos in a row, and then Male ka. One, two, here you go. Tango, 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 Male call away, Male call away. And that's where we're going to end. So that was that ending we learned last time. Now, what's tricky about this song? Let's just remember, it goes really fast, and you in part one are extra responsible because you're the leaders. You have to remember what comes first. Can we try singing it from the beginning? All right, here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, here we go. Tango, 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 tango. Jimmy bye bye oh, Jimmy bye bye oh. Tango, tango. Umbade kimbayo, umbade kimbayo. Tango, tango. Ooh, ole, Molly call away, Molly call away. Now we have 1, 2, 3, go. Tango, 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 tango. Jimmy bye bye oh, Jimmy bye bye oh. Umbade kimbayo, umbade kimbayo. Ooh, ole, Molly call away, Molly call away. Tango, 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 tango. Molly call away, Molly call away. Okay? And that's how it goes from beginning to our ending. If there's any of that, you're like, that was really hard for me, go back, rewind, and practice those parts. Remember, for the final recording assignment, you can choose to record yourself singing either song, whichever one you feel more comfortable with. Again, I'm never grading on how awesome or great your voice is. I'm just looking, are you trying? Are you working? Can I tell you've put in some time on your own? Okay? All right. Thanks for singing, guys. Bye.